Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the muzzle flash and the blood effect and also the footstep sound to our guards as well. Alright, if we see our guards right here, we need to add these strings to these guards. So for this, open up the guard script. Right after the character controller and gravity, right down below, add a header by the name of footstep sound in which you're gonna make a reference to the audio source, then the footstep clip, then the footstep interval, and then the footstep timer. Then make another header by the name of ripple effect in which you're going to make a reference to the muzzle flash and the blood effect. Alright, once you do this, what we're going to do, we're going to remove public from there, from the footstep audio source, and in the start, we're going to set its reference. So we're going to say footstep audio source equals to get component, and we want to get the audio source from the guard character. Alright, once we have the audio source, we can now just scroll down and right down below, we're gonna create a method by the name of handle footstep sound. In here, we're gonna first of all check if the footstep audio source is not null and the footstep clip is not null, which means we should have provide the audio source and the footstep clip. Once these two are provided, then we're gonna say footstep timer minus equals to time dot delta time. Alright, then after this we're gonna say footstep timer is less than equals to 0f. Then if this is the case, then we're gonna play the footstep sound. So we will say footstep audio source dot play one shot, and let's play the footstep clip. Alright, and then we're gonna set the footstep timer to the footstep interval. That's it. So what this is gonna do, this is gonna first of all, as I told you, check if we have provided the audio source and the footstep clip. If we have provided that, then the footstep timer will start decreasing, and when it becomes 0, we're gonna play a footstep sound, and then we're gonna set the footstep timer to the footstep interval. Alright, and as you can see, the footstep interval for now is 0.5. Now you can copy this name from here, this method name, and in the chase player right here at the end paste it, and also in the walk as well. So in the walk right above this if condition, we're gonna paste it. That is all you have to do for playing the footstep sound. We now also need to play the muzzle flash and the blood effect. So for the muzzle flash in the shoot player, what we're gonna do, when we hit a player right here, right, and give damage to the player, we can also first of all play the muzzle flash, and after playing that we're gonna show the blood effect. So for the blood effect, I'm gonna click on shooting controller and copy these two lines, get back right here, paste it, and that will be it for this card. Okay, now right here we need to set these references. So the first one is the audio source, so select all of these guards, and to all of these guards add a audio source. Alright, then keep select all of them, and in all of them drag and drop the audio source. Actually we can't do that, we need to select each of the guard one by one and drag and drop the audio clip. Actually, sorry, audio clip. Right, so if you click on audio right here, drag and drop this while selecting all of the guards, drag and drop the footstep in there, and it's gonna select the audio source automatically. Okay, because we set up a reference for it. in the start method. Now for the blood effect, we're gonna click on JMO asset and drag and drop the core effect in there. Now for the muzzle flash, we need to set up the muzzle flash in the rifle of each of this guard. So let's start from guard 1, which is right here. Select the rifle. Inside this pistol, as you can see, the muzzle flash is already added. Alright, if you check the second guard, in that guard the muzzle flash will be added as well. So now you can select the first guard and drag and drop the first guard muzzle flash in there. Alright, open up the pistol and drag and drop the muzzle flash in there. Then after the first guard, let's do it for the second one. So if you select the second guard, okay, double click on it so that it is selected. Select the pistol in the guard hand and open it up. Click on guard 2 and drag and drop this muzzle flash in there. Then close it, double click on guard 3. Here it is. Select the guard pistol, open it up, click guard 3, drag and drop the muzzle flash in there. Then let's do it for guard 4. So select the gun, open it up, drag and drop the muzzle flash. Now for the fifth one, which is right here, open the pistol, select fifth guard, drag and drop that. Now the sixth one, select pistol, open it up, click on guard, drag and drop it. Now the seventh one, click on guard, drag and drop the muzzle flash right there. That is all you have to do. Now we can just simply play the game. When you play the game, as you can see, we can hear the guard footsteps right here. So you can select all of the guards, lower their volume and make it 3D. And now you can make the volume full if you want, but I'm gonna leave this as 0.5 and make the special bend 3D. And when you do that, now let's check up a walkable character, walkable guard character, right? There it is. You can hear the footstep sounds. Alright, now as you can see, the guard can shoot us, play the muzzle flash and the blood effect on the player, and we can also play it on the player as well, as you can see. Alright, we can pick this card as well if you want. Here it is. And we can throw it wherever we want. Okay, so now all of the effects works perfectly fine. And with this done, let's end this video right here.